Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know we got to talk about yesterday. So yesterday we had our eye on USO, particularly at 1130 level. That's where we saw those pre-market prints. And of course we had the oil numbers at 1030. And as soon as those numbers came out, we came down and retested that print area, which is a very popular pattern. We are still stuck in that oil wedge, so still continuing to watch bullish above 1150, bearish below 1125 on that. Also GOVT, massive prints have been keep coming in on this. We had quite a few more yesterday, and we are still watching and monitoring that 25 level. We had prints starting from 24.88, and yesterday we had another big print come in at about 24.93. Okay, so definitely something is happening here with these government treasury bonds. Also, Walmart. Yeah, this was a big winner overnight yesterday, and we were bullish above 67.08. You can see we came right down there to test those prints. We took a bounce up to 67.24 and then couldn't hold on at the end of the day. And guess what we spotted at the end of the day? Very interesting. Late dark pool sell prints. This is after the bell. 67.27, 250,000 shares traded. They waited 3 hours to report this late sell print, which is legal. Yes, they have 3 hours to report it. So they were selling, let me show you, they were selling right here at around 12:30 and not reporting it until 4 o'clock, right? So we're going to use that as a level on Walmart. If it can break and close above 67.27, then we will resume another long position. If not, and it stays below 67, we're going to take a bearish position on this. Okay, so that's how we're going to trade it. But meanwhile, yesterday, my boot camp class was rocking it. Holy cow, we had amazing swings yesterday. And one trader in particular made huge progress. His name is Ken B, and he's a newbie trader. And Ken, you really learned some valuable lessons yesterday. He was all nervous when a stock opened up against him. But through technical analysis, levels, patience, he made what would have been a very big loss into a very tiny, small one. And that's the best lesson that I can teach you in the swing class. And he did very well because his other positions worked out really great. So fantastic, Ken. Great learning experience. And I'm really excited with today's swings. So yeah, today's swings, that leads me to Steve K with the natural gas long swing going into today on UGAS. We spotted a big juicy print on this one near the close. And fantastic. I love it. UNG, I've been talking about natural gas for a while. This 860 level was pivotal, and we are breaking above it, and I absolutely love it. As long as it can stay above 860, there's a lot of room to run, especially to fill in this gap. We had a gap fake out trade where they pushed it to the strongest level before the gap. They pull it back, and now comes the gap fill. So love this pattern. And if we can continue to go higher, there's an even much bigger trade that was in my latest blog right here. If we can break above 960, there's a lot of room to run on this inverted head and shoulders pattern. So yeah, anyway, we have another trade that we're watching on Ford, okay? Ford has earnings today. We had big prints yesterday at 1273. So we're going to be bearish below 1250. That's the level. 1250 is a big, big level. And we're going to be bullish above 1275. Come watch us trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading. I'm at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.
Trading. turns